Hello viewers, welcome back to again my YouTube channel BobPixie Hairstyle. So my dear friends, how are you? I hope your people are beautiful and doing very well. Today I am showing you the beautiful haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I give you a brand new styles of haircuts and hair dye colors with awesome pixie short haircuts, eyeshell designs, the gorgeous, fabulous and trending. Guys, I am showing you the best entertaining designs of 2022. You can get ideas for my videos about color contrast. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. You will get the notification all of my videos. Friends, today video has very stylish USA Russian girls, spin girls haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I must you to watch this video till the end. Friends, if you like my videos, you can share it on your social media accounts. Share it with your family members so that can visit my YouTube channel. And amazing collection and get unique ideas. Friends, will continue to watch and support my videos. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. I love these haircuts save your profile. So guys, please visit my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will get the notification all of my videos and you will never miss any collection, any videos of my channel. Don't forget back in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me, motivates me for more useful video, the more useful content for you. And guys, I have uploaded different haircut designs to you. Happy videos of new haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Amazing, very stylish short bob and pixie haircuts ideas and hairstyles ideas. If you are a business woman or as a housewife, these haircuts you look very beautiful. I hope you enjoy my videos. Today I will daily post a video like these different short haircuts and hairstyle pick hair front long pics over that is beautiful sharing. I hope आपको